DJ Cassidy, the Pina Colada song here on the Voice of Hauraki, 10 past 8 here on our EBFM as our foggy weather slightly kind of settles in, and no doubt we'll be getting pretty thick throughout the morning. Hopefully it does clear away as well. Look, we've been talking about it all week, the big build-up to the grand final, Hauraki Tigers versus Taniwharau Resthills, 1 o'clock this coming Saturday. Make sure the whānau get along, and as promised, we have two of the boys from the team, Kaleb, Paraku and Riva, to join us right now. Morning, boys.
Morena.
Chair, how are you both?
Yeah, good.
Good. Look, Riv, you have played before, obviously in the final side of things. What's this like for you, because you played with Kaleb and many others. What's it like for you playing with the brothers back home here and getting ready for the grand final?
I think it just gives it that bit more meaning, I have played in about 3 grand finals now, but just playing for one at home, just a bit more special. You're coming back home to play.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, especially with the whānau and everything like that as well. For you, Kaleb, coming into the final here as well. And, hey, congratulations, by the way, not only to you two, but to everyone that's associated with the team, behind the scenes as well, from the coaching, the management, the supporters, and all of your sponsors. So, congrats on making the final. But for you, Kaleb, what's it like for you, bro? What's this week been like?
Pretty cool. Making the grand final here. The boys made the semi last year, and I wasn't a part of it. They being a part of this grand final was pretty exciting.
Yeah, and what's it like, because it was about a month ago, and we put together a video that showed the insights of actually what makes the Hauraki Tigers work from within the whānau, within the changing sheds, and out to the game that you had back here in Paraku. What is it, Kaleb, that makes things work, that made you get to the final? What is it what is that key component?
I think we were all pretty keen to make this year a good one. We had a bit of incentive to be playing this year. And then all the boys were just really keen to try and get there this year. We had a bit of playing around with our team to make our A team play this year. But I know you're on board into it.
Yeah.
Okay,
and back to you, Riv. And look, Kahu says, Kahu Pokea's watching, saying good luck, boys, and morena to you too. And that's what this does, the whānau. And yeah, Auntie, like you say, what does it mean really, though, for you, Riva, to be in this final? And what's this week been like? Training was good on Tuesday. What's the whole week been like?
It's been good, bro. Good for the whole community, not just us. It's been a bit of a vibe. I think it's only just kind of settled in come Monday. When we hit that training Tuesday, our finals.
Yeah, mate, it hasn't been an easy role for you two, obviously, and the team. You had to do a tough look. You had to come back from behind last week, but you got there in the end. And what does it mean for both of you when you have supporters cheering you on, supporting you, and what they've done? And I'll talk about the social media impact on that really soon. But what does it mean for you, Kaleb, to have all of these supporters behind you, got your backs?
It's been having all our support behind us, feeling the energy and feeling the wairua.
Yeah. And for you, Riv, having the whānau and the supporters behind, what does that feel for you, bro?
Just the same, bro. It's a wairua a bit, and when you're struggling a bit in that last 20 minutes, that extra boost definitely helps you, especially come finals.
Yeah, hard out, bro.
Yeah,
hey,
and big part of the week.
Yeah, and you can't beat the whānau side of it as well. Hey, the social media impact has been huge this year, from everything, the countdown. We've seen that on social media, Facebook more so. You've got whānau getting in there, having a competition around designing stuff and everything like this. But the whole social media thing has really taken it to a next level for the Hauraki Tigers, which is cool, for you boys.
Yeah. Helping us up.
Yeah. And for you, bro?
Yeah, bro. Just get the community involved there. Like behind the scenes, they get to see what we're doing over the season and training. I think it just gets that more community involved there.
Yeah. Yeah, and that's so true, And hey, look, there's a GF T-shirt that's been produced, and I think you're on that actually, Riv, and on the front of that T-shirt. And hey, how cool is that? To have a T-shirt, only 50 made, and I know there's more being done, but how cool is that to have Hauraki on a T-shirt represented, and people are going to wear that forever? How cool is that?
That's wicked, bro.
No, that's great. I think he's
Yeah.
like something you hold on to forever.
Oh, hard out, boys. All right. Well, good luck with the training tonight. Safe travels over to Resthills on Saturday. Look, representing all of Hauraki. There we got Modi Aroha whānau from Jody, and we want to talk about that actually. Now she's jumped on here.
Shout out to Rapa.
Yeah, I want to do
Oh,
that.
yeah,
Do a shout out to your sponsors, bro. Yeah, do a big shout out because you can't do it without your sponsors, eh?
Based in Greenwood, Hamilton, big part of our season, and also X's up. Shout out to them.
Look, I've already got a Hone Honui. I know Hone, bro. He's going to jump on the mic this weekend during the game, bro. He wants me over there. So you might have twisted my leg there, bro. Hey, Mr. X Factor, Mr. Clutch. There we go. Already the league vibe has jumped into you.
Shout out Hone, bro. Love your money, bro.
See, these fellas, eh? Hey, bro, love your fellas, mahi. I know you guys are nervous to join us. I'll let you get back to your mahi today. Good luck for the weekend. You got the Hauraki whānau behind you, supporting you. They'll be travelling over in their hundreds, I would guess, to support you on the sideline. And well done, making the final. That's history for the club. And I know there'll be people who'll be so proud of you as well. So all the best, boys, eh? And hope it all goes well.
Cheers, thank you, Rena.
Thank you. You're going to play us with Karakia, dude.
Hey, you want to sing a white?
Go on then.
You
Start off.
You want to sing a white now? Go on. Yeah, there they go. Hard out. What have we got there, Colin? Heading to watch you this weekend. Over there's a big game as well. Yeah, that's what it's all about. Awesome, Caleb. Thank you, bro. There we go. 17 minutes after 8 here on the Voice of Hauraki. Ko te reo Hauraki nā iwi FM.